Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove Google Calendar spam. Is your Google Calendar flooded with invites telling you that you won a free iPhone or iPad, a vacation, a TV, or something else you wish were true? If so, you're not alone, and most of these invites are populated as a result of either Google automatically putting calendar invites you receive on your calendar whether you accept them or not, and also as a result of automatically putting events detected in your emails on your calendar. Don't worry. There are some things you can do to remove the unwanted calendar spam and take back your calendar. In this video, I'll show you how to both prevent the Google Calendar spam from being shown and also how to report and remove any remaining Google Calendar spam. First, let's look at how to prevent Google Calendar spam from being shown in your calendar. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to calendar.google.com, and then sign into your Google account if prompted. You'll land on your Google Calendar home screen. Step 2. Click the Settings icon to open a menu, and then click Settings in the menu. The Google Calendar settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Click to expand the General section, and then click Event Settings in that list. The Event Settings section is displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Click to expand the drop-down for Automatically Add Invitations, and then choose No, only show invitations to which I have responded. Now, you'll no longer see any calendar items for any of the Google Calendar spam invites you haven't responded to. Step 5. Next, scroll down to the View Options section and then click to remove the check mark from Show Declined Events. This will ensure that none of the calendar spam events that you declined are displayed either. Step 6. Finally, scroll down to the Events from Gmail section and then click to remove the check mark next to Automatically Add Events from Gmail to My Calendar. Click OK in the dialog box asking if you're sure you don't want events found in your Gmail to be added to your calendar automatically to deselect that option. This will prevent any events that are detected in your Gmail emails from being automatically populated in your Google Calendar, which can also be a source of Google Calendar spam. For any remaining spam still being shown in your Google Calendar, you'll need to report each individual item as spam to get rid of it. The good news is that as you report spam, those Google Calendar items are removed along with any other items from that sender. Let's walk through the steps to report Google Calendar spam. Step 1. In either the Google Calendar website or the Google Calendar app for iPhone, iPad, or Android devices, navigate to the Google Calendar item you want to report as spam and then tap or click to expand the details associated with it. Step 2. Tap the ellipses in that window to view a menu and then tap Report as Spam in that menu. Another window appears asking if you're sure you want to report this item as spam. Choose Report. That item will be removed from your Google Calendar along with any other items from that sender. Repeat this process to remove any remaining unwanted spam from your Google Calendar. Let me know what your experience with Google Calendar spam is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.